It hurts so much. This is too much bullshit. Why did I agree to play this?
My hand says over for you.
What the? Pass.
God.
That's a good one.
Not bad, not bad.
Not too shabby. What? Pass.
I'm just gonna let you hit me for free. For free? Why not?
Was it free?
For free?
Was it free scheme?
Do I look free to you? Three for parachute.
Okay.
Look at the top 5.
Are you gonna whiff? I hope you whiff.
That'd be pretty crazy, by the way.
Interesting.
Do I attack you here?
See?
Do I?
What are you doing? What are you doing? You don't reveal anything. You draw 3 cards. You put 2 cards to the top or bottom of your deck.
6.
Thanks. No trigger.
No. No, you already said no triggers. Too late. It's too
No,
late.
I'm looking. I'm looking.
I said it's too late, goddamn.
6 there.
Cheers.
Push out.
Territory. Your ability. Draw a card. Turn. Turn on your guy.
Color?
Am I nice?
Yeah, I mean, I can't swing at that. That's a 6. You might get a trigger.
I never said so.
Wow.
Leader. Character.
Wow. That's so good. That's so good.
What just happened?
No trigger? Eight to lead.
I get to see you.
It's a bone play.
Wait, 5 for Vegapunk?
Yep.
3.
No bueno.
No, that's the wrong one. I got to
6 up.
6?
I got 11 on.
What? Kind of pulled too much.
Your turn. Six.
Drew too much, Marcus. Drew too much.
You drew too much?
I drew too much.
I drew too much?
No, I drew too much.
Yeah.
card for?
From my leader. I mean, from my turn. I had
6.
My brother's tiny. You.
It's okay.
2.
Yeah, you played $11.
Nami, what are you doing? Ah!
Enter.
My day is ruined.
Your day is ruined.
You're my pair down.
I think we got like
He can't be able to if I have less life.
Yeah.
Hey, to leave.
Leader effect. Oh wait. Yeah. Oh, -5 and I'll pop. Let's do 6-2 shock. Yeah, pass.
Leader ability. -2 to cost. Okay. End of turn.
What you ate today?
Hmm?
What you ate today? You want to tell
Next,
them?
I'm about to go make some sliders at home.
Oh, I'm down.
You down?
I'm down.
Yeah.
I'll pull up.
Oh, word?
Some sliders. You gonna put anything on them? You want to tell the people?
Huh?
Oh,
no,
alright.
I'm too embarrassed. Go away. Leave me alone.
No fries?
No fries. No.
It's just plain old
Just
sliders.
We're just broke. We're broke.
Dang,
broke.
okay.
You saw me? You saw? I thought it was me. I thought it'd be Kiko. Oh, I thought it'd be Kiko. Yeah. I gotta take care of your board.
Okay.
It's fine, I like.
too hard. You lose all in my face. But the guy better said, get the dog in his face.
1.
6.
And then you only got one string after that, right? Yeah. I'm not sure block it.
Line down. I think you should have
2?
9 more.
next turn.
6.
Oh.
No, he took it. He took it. That's like roll 2.
We'll take it.
Yeah.
Pass turn.
Yeah, I'm not gonna try. Because they're all that now. You just want base, just kills me, you know? I was thinking, I'm like, what?
Italy.
It's 5 dead men and you win.
Leader. Oh, no, well, Mihawk first.
9 Italy.
1, 2, 3. 4. Then for 5. Bonnie. Have 8 rested. Got 2. Get 1 active. Trash. Get 1 active. Leader effect.
I think it's way too much thinking.
1, 2, 3,
I know that they take a lot of
4,
thinking, like a lot.
5. Kinemon.
I know. Finally, really up. He's bad. What do you mean?
President. 4. 5 there. 7 there.
I feel like you do this one turn around. But if I see everything I need to, I can win. It's not just a cheating, I said, okay? You go wide, actually.
Ability?
You don't have to be
Lets me fuck you over.
Like I said, out there, that's great. You go wide. And so it's 8 damaging. That's beater. Right now, the horse is cheating away from my beater. But if I'm gonna play any top 3 deck, I'm gonna go.
Stand.
If I'm gonna play any of the top 3 decks, it's go. I'm not playing the race. What's the war? You lose that. Oh, here's $10, yada yada, do that. And the ace is like $10 pocket pool. They go into like restaurant. Hey, that's an ace. Not. You playing forward next time? No.
Playing Zoro every set. I see you.
No ace?
Because those are new cards. You got that right there.
You think I would take me on or what? No. Really? I think fine. So then we were
Yeah, they're really.
Yeah, it's the.
Come on, man.
What did I do?
You're getting too nervous, man.
if you're going like
What happens if you?
No.
Oh no, you put it to the bottom.
7?
Yeah.
How many cards you got?
I'm playing, I don't know. 4?
4 is pretty.
How many you got? 4?
I got only 4.
Okay. I mean, you have this.
Also protects tapping stuff by that. You can protect walls, but like, I don't know balls like.
So you swing, 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 and then I would swing this, swing that, swing that.
Yeah, they tried to
Oh no, I might hold you. Whoa, 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 I was just playing. I was just playing.
Oh, yes, yes.
Stop looking over here.
I want to look over there.
Take out Flamingo. Leader ability, draw a card. Less dawned than you. This costs 3.
I counter the first hit. It would have been different if I had +3 and didn't have
7.
I see why you run it. And the right of fools.
7 elite.
Isn't that okay?
9 elite.
Hold on.
Oh.
I'm playing card.
Like, dang, he took it. Oh, he trashed.
You'll be taking it.
We'll be taking
6 elite.
Okay.
Turn. Face the stage. We stand these two.
Fuck. 5.
I knew it. So good.
So good. 1. Make sure.
Enter.
I'm saying.
Yeah.
Cards are done? 3?
I do think Rosario might be good next time.
You have 2 searchers.
I hear the deck that Japan thinks they're not playing a lot, but it has only 2 searchers. Because you can play the 6 up Luffy. That's almost like.
Well, that's why.
Yeah. You still get dead match game, you get the new Otama, that's just strong. Like, I think that deck's actually kind of good for you.
Well, I should have put this.
Hard pressure, yeah, like. I was kind of scared for my deck. But then I think, you know, the best locker could have is a cultural. Yeah, of course. Our longest guard right there. There's one thing.
Let me see your trash. Give me.
Unless you pick up
That's a good one.
If they're gonna go through the whole thing.
5 cards or less?
5 costs or less.
Everything's 5 cards. 5 cards or less.
I guess we probably go back and take it twice because there's 2 9 jobs. Get Roger, just bam bam.
Everything is 4 cards or less. Okay, let's do boom, boom, boom.
Oh, what the heck? Oh, is that new?
Yeah, apparently. 5. Whoa, where were you? Where were you? I'll get a Dawn bag, and then I'll do leader effect.
So I was like, oh, she goes, I gotta kill the boys rabbits.
Cards in that?
I got 3.
Seven.
This is the bottom of your list.
7.
Your ability. Draw a card.
Pass.
Stand these 2, right?
Cards in hand?
3. 3 blockers. 1 down up.
Yeah.
Kiku would be nice to you.
Triggers out and then we
Kiku would be
Eight?
Five is crazy. I just back over the board, dude.
You have 3 swings left?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, your hand, dude. What is that?
Do you remember?
Fine.
You want at least 12
Yeah, touching the dome.
I've been thinking, and I think I'm gonna it's kind of scary. But like next time it's gonna be scary. Did you get the stick up easy? That's all was that? But it's double side as well.
not just
Wait,
battle,
it's
it's hard.
As you play the combo, you just cool. And you pick it back up. That's what I'm saying. Look at the 2K. You're talking about the 2K what was like?
8.
You're reading dead man.
I mean,
Yeah, we'll
You
take
can play better deck. I got the ace that card was crazy. No, you get the new bounce ball.
technically, if you had
Oh, banner jacket.
all that time together.
The six drop, something. The turn your character say 5 drop. Yeah. So banner jacket. Ball. Banner jacket again. You pick it back up and play it again. That's what I'm saying. So it's really good. Against ace, they're like, oh, everybody still taking 10 drop watchers. Boom, boom, dead. UP, everybody 2 9 calls. Boom, boom.
8 Sanji?
No, 8
Oh,
to life.
oh, 8 to life.
8 to
Oh.
life. 8
Oh.
to Sanji. You crazy. Just block with your body. You know you want to.
Leader effect.
Leader
I
effect.
think it can like,
Life. Go ahead.
I think it, orthodox ace. I think it's like,
Oh, you heard that crash?
Mm-hmm.
Cards it in?
2.
I think that deck is very like,
Rest.
like how
Leader.
in Japan, not really playing it. I want to have it in Japan. I think America, in Japan, it's like, the only thing that added was they didn't play the combo, they didn't play the like, I think he played
Cards it in?
yeah, I
2?
think they did like ace inside. I'm like, okay, whatever. I think he played with combo. Like, he played it with this. The problem is,
I messed up too many times.
You only made 2 misses. Attaching that down and then Sanji into
No, the turn I played the Nami,
I think you still play the
I should have played
Nami.
the Nami. I had 2
You still play the
Sahashi,
Nami, you have it.
rest,
Play
2
Hody
block,
and like, because,
and then swing 9, 9,
no, but like
plus
that deck and
10. You had like 5 cards in there. I didn't see you didn't have any
You have 2,
I have
right?
4 TKs in there.
Okay.
It's right here. You see all of
Yeah,
King's
these are all your life.
King's blackness.
And then your dot is like keyboard kings. I haven't hypnotized. Nah, good games though.
I think when the roll back.
8?
Yes, I need something like that good.
Bro, I missed the
6?
Dude, he saw it.
I reveal is gone through it. I didn't rose you.
That's why I think
You
this deck.
didn't rose it, I'd say.
I think that you can't. This is a deck where you can't just look at your hand for that will cover that. You can't. There's no cover. Look like this.
You have 1 card here?
Yeah.
As an American, I think you play that. Like it's just like so good. But that deck is so
For a
good.
week and a half, then we get ace.
And again,
We got it between you and
we're a
Jeff.
green
Yeah, I
deck.
can't wait.
You know what? We just
Best
played.
promo?
Close game, close game.
He's about pair down.
Nice game, But that makes
Do you think they're gonna have them on all the pre-releases?
Yeah, every pre-release is a third anniversary, so everyone should have the 3 promos winter support.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What?
some places people.
You don't need, you just go Devin.
Well, this is different because this isn't.
Double attack up for a guy with-
You just report him if you get something that's not the ace
You're
on.
playing it's like a Roger.
I guess I'll play my other holdie.
Yeah. Wait, you play the loop and you get 4 on back. Just for leader effect, whatever you need. And then, oh yeah, I'll also play with Tama. Leader effect.
I don't know what I'm looking for.
So you still play Cavendish too. Cavendish too. You play Cavendish and you have
I'll play it. Why not?
You can play Cavendish. The next turn.
Can't remove from Carfax. If you do, it gets -2. And then one attack and -2 something. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's actually kind of
Leader effect. Nah, you got it.
What was the last line?
I was trying to starve you.